How to make money selling videos on the stock footage market. Do you have a passion for videography? Are you always on the lookout for new ways to monetize your skills? Then, the stock footage market might just be the perfect opportunity for you. With the rise of social media, video content is in high demand, and there's never been a better time to cash in on your creativity. In this guide, we'll show you how to make money selling videos on the stock footage market. We'll walk you through the basics of stock footage, including what it is, how to shoot it, and where to sell it. From landscapes to time lapses, the stock footage market is full of opportunities waiting to be exploited. So grab your camera and get ready to start earning money from your creative passions with how to make money selling videos on the stock footage market. In this video, we are going to show you the how to make money selling videos on the stock footage market. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and be notified of future updates. Now let's get started. Step 1. Research what kind of videos are in demand on stock footage marketplaces. Selling stock footage can be a great way to make a steady income as a creative professional, but it's important to know the current market before jumping in. Researching the kind of videos that are in demand on stock footage marketplaces is an essential aspect of any successful strategy. Make sure to pay close attention to which topics, styles, and formats are popular so you can create content that will adequately address this demand. Additionally, consider what other sellers are doing. Looking at their portfolios may help you discover new and lucrative possibilities you hadn't considered before. With a little bit of research, you can position yourself for success. Step 2. Invest in a good quality camera and tripod to stabilize your shots. You don't need a high-end fancy camera to capture stunning photos. However, investing in a good quality camera and tripod enhance your shots. A tripod helps to stabilize the photo, meaning you get sharper images with better clarity and detail. Furthermore, getting creative with angles or experimenting with manual settings on your camera is much easier when your shot is stabilizing. The hardware will only take you so far. Learning photography basics can make the most of your investment. Step 3. Plan out each video. Shoot with the clear purpose or theme in mind. When it comes to creating a video shoot, having a purpose or theme will help ensure that the finished product is focused and powerful. Deciding on this information before filming begins can mean the difference between a compelling video and disorderly footage. Planning out specific shots and sequences ahead of time gives the team a recipe for success and allows them to save both time and resources throughout the production process. It also creates a unified vision that everyone involved with the project understands and supports, which in turn leads to cohesion in both technical aspects as well as creative elements. Taking the extra step to give each video shoot an intentional purpose or theme will pay off in dividends when it comes time for the big reveal. Step 4. Edit your footage to make it look professional and polish it. Every video needs to be edited to make it look polished and professional, regardless of whether you're a novice or a seasoned videographer. Editing your footage can seem daunting at first, but with patience, practice, and the right software tools, you'll soon discover that it's easier than it looks. Start by deleting any failed or unusable shots from your raw footage. Then pay close attention to making sure the shots transition smoothly from one shot to another. Finish off by adding in titles and credits as needed for a refined and cohesive look. All in all, investing your time into editing is definitely worth the effort, since it makes your footage productions look more engaging and trustworthy to viewers. Step 5. Upload your videos to stock footage marketplaces like HUTTE or STOCK or Getty Images. For video creators looking to make a few extra bucks from their content, stock footage marketplaces like Shutterstock or Getty Images are ideal places to upload their videos. These companies allow you to display your footage for potential buyers from around the world and be compensated for it. You'll have the chance to monetize your talent, build a time-diversified income stream, and watch as your hard work pays off right in front of you. With huge customer bases, world-class support and services, and decades-long track records of success, these stock marketplaces provide unparalleled tools and platforms to help promote your creations while earning serious cash. Don't think twice. Take advantage of this golden opportunity that awaits you. Step 6. Monitor your sales and adjust your pricing accordingly. Keeping track of your sales is one of the most important aspects of running a successful business. Knowing when and how to adjust your pricing accordingly will ensure maximum profits. The only way to determine if your prices are in line with the market value is by paying attention to your sales numbers. Checking on your product's daily, weekly, or monthly sales report can help you spot any trends before they become a problem. It's also essential to adjust current prices based on the demand for the product while staying competitive with other companies that offer similar items. With proper tracking, analysis, and timely action, you will be able to stay ahead of the game. Some PRSONALIZDTIPS before you. Know your audience. Understand the type of content that is in demand and tailor your videos to match those needs. Invest in high-quality equipment. The better the quality of your videos, the more likely they are to be purchased. Choose your niche. Specialize in a specific type of footage, such as nature, travel, or urban life, to stand out from the crowd. Shoot in high definition. Most stock footage sites require high-definition content, so make sure to shoot in the best quality possible. Offer exclusive content. Create unique and original footage that can only be found on your stock footage portfolio. Use keywords. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with keywords that potential buyers might use to search for your content. Make it easy to license. Make sure your videos are easily licensable and have clear rights for commercial use. Promote your portfolio. Utilize social media and other marketing channels to promote your stock footage portfolio and reach potential buyers. Just like any business, there's a certain amount of risk involved in becoming a stock footage seller. But if you do your research, invest in the right equipment, and create quality content with a clear purpose, you can increase your chances of success. By regularly monitoring your sales and adjusting your pricing accordingly, you can make sure that your stock footage business is profitable and sustainable in the long run. Have you ever considered selling stock footage? What do you think are the biggest challenges involved? Thank you for sticking to the end. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comment section below. Till next time.